Hi everyone, my name is Adam Wabsalo. Today I would like to share with you these two terminology, that is antibiotics and the antimicrobials. The antimicrobial, this is just a mother of 4 children, and these children's the antibiotics, antivirus, antiparasite and antifungals, which they target these microbes. So when starting with antibiotics, which most of the people they confuse with this antimicrobial, even though the antimicrobial and antibiotic mean the same, but the antibiotics, it is inside the it's a subset of the antimicrobial. And for the case of antimicrobial, these are medicine that are used to prevent and treat infection that are caused by microorganisms in human, animals and plants. But when we come to this antibiotic, which also known as antibacterial, and this antibiotic, they mainly prevent and treat infections that are caused by bacteria. And example of these infections which are caused by this bacteria are such as pneumonia, sepsemia, tuberculosis, and also salmonellosis. And on other end, we can use the common infection, which is urinary tract infection. But also the other subset of antimicrobial is antifungals, and this antifungal, they target or to prevent infection caused by fungus. And these fungal infection include the candidiasis, cryptococcosis and coccidioidomycosis. These are just example of fungal infection which can be treated by antifungals. But also the other subset is antiviral, and these drugs, they just target the infections, that infection that are caused by viruses. And this include the influenza, Ebola virus, and the current infection, which is COVID-19. But also it can also use to treat the HIV infection. But also the last part, which is antiparasites, which also is one among of the subset of antimicrobial, is this antiparasite, they just target the infections that are caused by parasite. And this infection that are caused by parasite, it may include the malaria, but also it may include also trichinosis, and the sleeping sickness and other parasitic infections. So I think we have understanding the difference between the antibiotics and antimicrobial, of which the take-home message that the antimicrobial, they have 4 branches or 4 children, that is antibiotics, antiviral, antiparasites and antifungals. And for the case of antibiotics alone, is just a subset of the antimicrobial, so it is within the antimicrobial. Thank you very much for listening.